Yeah, I've been in rehab. You know, I used to drink, I used to smoke weed, but right now I no longer do that stuff. And ekingambira abantu bona beshongoza abatu abali abarukweshongora bakwenda kufuka nkanye. Drug is not the way, taking alcohol is not the way. You can be sober but still make it. Right now I'm sober. You know, I'm sober. I don't smoke. I don't smoke weed. I don't drink. You see?
Kureba NKORE Media TV nbeazini DJ Serebo Ambaraka tulio muri made in Mbarara at Serebo Ambarara made in Mbarara, someone born in Mbarara made in Mbarara, you know, no chenga rati
everything from Barara,
you know.
Yeah man,
aroti
azana shemerwa mnonga kubandi ala NKORE TV tumukumama sanyagi nkura na shemerwa mnonga kubera achintu chitu nkito abanyambara. It's really nice. I feel so happy.
First of all twakwatira umuko wawe
na shemerwa mnonga
bazara musi abanyambara musi abanyankorera musi abanyachitara
abanyakabare abakanungu abankaya abambara abantu banje mwena nimbakunda chenkanyi nimbakunda mnonga mwebare kunyisahi munyikize mwebare kumfude chindi mwebare kunshemeza amagara ngabire ntari yindi kubare kubire ngabire I wouldn't be where I'm at right now if it was not those people. I love you so much from the heart, from here.
First of all, nyenda tandikira yenyina ituri made in Mbara obwiro bo watandikire mu music tukatinez online TVs. This is an online TV NKORE Media. Tukatazineho tino ba influencers abakabi nkoko kunde banyo Serebo Ambarara nkoko kura made in Mbara reho. What does it mean right now as in the state of music is concerned?
This means that the music is growing and it's very good. It means that right now Mbarara is into the industry and it has improved the industry. We are going forward, we're not going back, and it's really, you don't know how someone feels. Okuba orukurugambara okashanga nekurakura na bulijoba okashanga irukora nk'ebintu nk'ebi tutumura beshongozi, because this is too good for artists. You understand? And I'm so happy for you people who influence artists, who support artists, the media. Unlike you're not like these other medias who put down the artists. I'm so happy for Mbarara Media. Wide, like all of it. But mostly, I want to thank you guys, the media people. Abana barijire mkagira hati tukatwekore meje chintu katukore chintu cha made in Mbarara. Tutumura abantu tuyambe batahivi tubike on that stage that they really want. Yeah.
We've been missing Latinum. Itunkaba nyambara. Tuinorusho rwa Latinum. Kora Latinum witu mwana witu na toshongora keshongoro korunyankore korunyachitara. Twakahuririza na tio ni bitara.
Tio na ariyombe abi. Chonka hatiya echingwasagambira abantu bambara. Nyowe nkoziroro rweshongoro for the love I have for Mbarara. I love Mbarara. I love my home. That's why even in my interviews, one of running among interviews and mani mbajanyo ni ndigambara. Watchenga. Yeah. I like the fact that I'm from Mbarara. You understand? So nkachero nkasheshe nazo studio na TON twakorora rweshongoro tutulane. By the way, the song is out, is on YouTube. You can check it out. Tuturane, TUTURANE. Tuturane. Mujenda TikTok mkore challenge to supporting our, this region is too big. Mbarara is too big. Mbarara is a city. It's not a district. It's a city. Yeah, it's a big city. You understand? So, bantume nanyinasa zire hokwe shongole cho mkamu supporting.
Aho kufuna mukama ni homuramiza. Echo kubanza chabyona Latinum. Ito kumanya Latinum na mnonga, I think I was still in high school.
Yeah.
Kumanya Latinum tukamanya bwa TON. We don't know what happened between Latinum and TON.
Nothing happened between me and him. We are brothers, we are family, we are working together, we are team. That's why we do.
We've been missing Latinum and TON.
Yeah. For that moment that we've not been working, I've been in rehab. Yeah, I've been in rehab. I used to drink, I used to smoke weed. But right now I no longer do that stuff. And ekingambira abantu bona beshongoza abatu abali abarukweshongora bakwenda kufuka nkanye. drug is not the way, taking alcohol is not the way. You can be sober but still make it. Right now I'm sober. You know, I'm sober. I don't smoke. I don't smoke weed. I don't drink. You see? Of
course, right now ninda zirisha nareba sha yanja simu ziri it is of course almost to 2 a.m.
Yeah, 2 minutes to 2.
Kando risoba.
Yeah.
Turya asante ba o made in bara.
Kando bar hamarwa buri
kimwe cyatiru.
Yeah.
So echo kugambira beshongozi bitu ba Western Uganda iwe Karatinam. Echo gambira beshongozi bitu nanundi jo odyo kwari kwegomba kuzo music ya Western Uganda okwegomba kuzo music industry. Ebitokoza bwonko ninga using drugs.
Using drugs is using drugs so ebitokoza bwonko nchibi. And give respect to each other. Respect each other. Respect is always number one. Make friends and pray. Believe in yourself. But taking drugs won't take you anywhere. I love you so much, Barara.
Orukutora NKORE Media naenda kakasane Latinum amanya gange ndi Latinum.
Nakula machuwa lele kalemi ya kila the DJ day ya no me dance al chua mulugianda nganda mugianda tata no like walan
koketi ntachabe chiri behind that one chire chikija chikabura emyaka 2-3
wagatatu betu
missing Latinum
ni cheche chinagarra omwana yija hijwa mwire hihi mwe mtagate akire naka inshonga zahwa mwize tuzo mu rugo omwana yichiriza tumutasye tuturane niye nshonga
ntumisinga mu Western Uganda no kuroro nyankoro rukurwe shongora akubatu nabeshongozi roigi tipo matenure nkoko kuro made in maturment. By
the way nanye nkanta kubanko kuna sounding na reshongora no chimanya
ogota kubango basa ko shongora nyankoro
anada nkanta kumanya nimbasa ku sounding anto binure mnonga konga kina shongwire na ora nanyerwankwata hono. You know, for us artists we do music but you can feel the song from studio and say this song is good though you've sung it and it's yours but it's that vibe was so spiritual. It's a good vibe.
So you're telling us that you're going to give us no to just kutumanyisa kangaruko mu rwito rwa no just kutumanyisa ngo yorode oyetebekanise kugira ngo tuhereze music yo runyankore.
Yeah, I'm going to be giving new music of runyankore. However much I'm going to still be doing the other music that I've been doing. Man, ninya na balancing.
Nitona twikwe. Akubera unitubentu kumisinga kuja tuhorero runyankore. Omwana no witu konkana eshongoro Uganda no Jamaica.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
Karaka imana yanje.
Buri wempeta mponyere ebyenge tonkobe sechengo tukula chuka dabe kuwato bako eno si wato imana yanje mbarara
nyendo katere ote muserebu wambara ote NKORE Media nyomsibu
yo omwana yija yirahihi nyowentagate akire naka enshonga zahwa slebu wambara nawe ariaha tuturane nibinji ninkundiwe yanosa ona nemda call me Latinum reggae na yanosa original realist general Latinum straight out Ambarala representative Ankole Media Ankole TV gwango sako no touch remote
kumarira Latinum totuhereza korabo nabeshongozi bitu abato munongo kabiya
ya ntuza kuchikolaho
thanks no basagamba aro katandikira nkaye music yawe uri kutandika
katandikira hambara katandikira music yanje mbarra na tio
studio no chijijuka
the studio is called Elgon
aro mumba ninkoreba station emwe ya mani wajangu tinchijuka na studio ina atandikiremo
ukaba mistaken Chirebeka.
I sign out for now. It is Latinum Lati Buoy DJ Serebo Ambara NKORE Media straight out to get made in Mara not Kuchitera. It is always hosted by DJ Alberto 43 Nihabaro Tono Muchamu MC Shukuran. Of course DJ Buoy DJ Nimbando Serebo Ambara na Naharo na Kansaramu Western Uganda Media. Asman of Savage Navarro, DM Soga Honorable, Omunyarwampara ni wari kubari behind us. Sign out.
Wala tuturane nibinji ninkundiwe ogwo mutima Flora nuguteriwe ogwo mutima nuguterambara
Bashija
nimba konda mno.
I sign out mukama nakora.
Give me your life today and tomorrow. Give me your heart. Give me your life. I want to make you all. She said she no go on the man, she already have the man, she a walk on the man. She said she no go on the man, she already have the man, she a walk on the man. The boy to the boy, them say me bad and stable. Do God that you beat one and table. Small girl, big girl, some mama, small girl. Give me your love, give me your heart, hey, rock one. Give me your life, today and tomorrow. Give me your heart. Nicola rubber and this, but I go to your mama sit on my face. Hey, tell it your body in a yo, mommy your body go tell it from you. No will just pass, better than longer than a kilogram bass. Be a little massacre, don't want to sick up. Don't picture you just a big thing that you don't want to do. Tell him I think I'm somebody, but come on, really, show that Charlie. Tell him I think I'm somebody, but come on, really, check that Charlie. Don't send me down the road to mama. Don't send me down the road to mama. After that we go cinema. Cinema baby we go watch. Don't send me down the road to mama. Don't send me down the road to mama. After that we go cinema. Cinema baby we go cinema. Baby don't worry about nada. Nada me ne koga befuga. Akabasajja bakulya botefuga. Nabogeza kanachula. I love you so much and I'm so blessed to be here with you guys. Nimbakunda mnonga, nimbakunda bili ebi kusembayo. Wewe mumbisinga. Mbisinga mnonga. Nanyambire nimba mbisinga manya. Akishongolo kwa Nyankole. Zana kishongolo kanje kwa Nyankole. Ira inyowe tagate akire naka esonga zahwa kuzonga rugo inchiriza kutasi hello omuntu wengingo omulomu kwakiro wanje asanyowo kwakira wanje polisi kola logola zumba tukulala tukulane DJ Alberto, big up on yourself, Mr. DJ. Mr. DJ, you are coming. MC Shukran. Brother MC, alkun MC Shukran akari karinka, haruka MC Shukran. Akaruka TOM karinka. Akaruka Latinum karinka. I love you so much for man. I love you. Zayatun, magam Latinum before you go. Obwire bune bwingi akesho mu ruhago wagatera buzima. Emuzimu yakurona wagaruka mu rurimi romuka. Furora taruho nakwijana. Thank you so much Latinum Lati. Ulimba rero tuturane nakesho mu kasi yako kwa Lati Buoy. Oida Mr. DJ. Oida Mr. DJ. Thank you Team Sky, thank you Team Run Wanje Obed. Chicho mwana chamani nyamini babu. Ha! Umosho wanje chebo aibabe. Nikunake sente. Mkae mosho wanje.
Selecta, kuluta ningale kale. Nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.